Yeah.
I'm in New Jersey. I'm in brother yard. You guys, I'm here, but I picked me up at the airport and I could not film all of that because we were just getting in the car and getting going. Let me show you guys my brother. Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. Can you see I'm hype? I'm hype and I'm sweaty and I'm sweating. It's airport day. Hey, vacation day. Hey. You guys, we are heading out right now to go to the airport. Look, I'm sweating like pork. It's hot in this house. We have a flight at 12 o'clock, but so much drama is happening with our flight. Our flight originally was from Nice to Paris, then Paris to New York. Now you guys find out where we're going. We'll be in New York and surrounding areas, but of course you guys will get more details. I'm just hurrying up to start the vlog right now before we leave. Hold on, Sarah. So that flight got canceled last night. The flight to Nice to Paris got canceled, so we had to let our agency put us on another flight, and thank God we get on a flight for 12 o'clock that is leaving from Nice. Here we are where we are here in France, straight to New York, so we don't have to do the connecting flight as we originally had on our ticket. So that's what's going on right now. Our taxi will be here for us in 4 minutes, so we have to head out of this house in 4 minutes. So I won't be staying too long with you guys. I'm gonna let you guys say hello to everybody and let's head out. Hi. That's one. Who's next? Hi. Let me see your airport. Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you. You ready? You ready? For vacation? Yes. Sarah, come here. Come around. Come around. Oh Lord, she's going to our usual spot. Say good morning, Faves.
Say one. Supermarket haul.
It's not. We're not doing no supermarket haul. We're going to the airport. Sarah, say good morning.
Good morning.
You ready to go to the airplane?
Yes.
Yes. Ready. Anyway, you guys, I am going to head out right now to get these suitcases out of the house, so stick and stay, and I'll take you guys most definitely along our journey until we get to New York tonight. So see you guys in the USA. Anyway, you guys, see you later. Wish us luck on this trip, honey child. Let's go. With all our fandangos, and it's time to check in. Checked in and ready to go. We have about 2 hours before our flight, so we are heading to our gate slowly right now, but we're all checked in and everybody is good. Sarah is on our tablet. There she is. Tyler is there chilling, and I'm a hungry mama, so I need to probably find something to eat and find our gate. So let's go. All right, gonna have something to eat right now. We're gonna have breakfast. Yes, I don't want any sandwich. Bonjour. 2 pains au chocolat et 2 croissants.
Manger ici?
Oui. Go forward. Ici, ici. Et ça aussi. Ça, Tyler, go forward. Forward, 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 forward. Merci.
Do you want coffee?
No, merci. Tyler, come please. Stay here. So we've checked in and we are at our boarding gate right now waiting to board our flight, which will be in about like an hour or 5 minutes. Flight should be on time for now, so let's see if any changes will happen. Fingers crossed that it will remain that way. So yeah, we're here chilling. So we have made it to the plane. We've boarded our flight and we're sitting here waiting on takeoff, which is in roughly 10 minutes. So Sarah is all comfy over there and Papa and Tyler is right there. 50,000. There they are. mozzarella cheese and tomato in it, and Sarah have pasta and ice cream and salad. She's eating and the boys got the same. Tyler is having this one, Papa is having this one. to New York City. Guys, so we are arriving in New York right now. Our flight is actually 40 minutes in advance. So yes, no, you cannot take it down. It have to stay up because we're landing right now. Okay, after soon. Okay, say hello to the babes.
Hello, babe.
She's mad because she wants to take down her table and we're landing and it cannot go down. So I'm gonna show you guys a view of over New York as we're landing right now. Look at it. Baby, we made it. We just got off our flight and now heading to baggage claim and then check out and go see my brother is picking us up as we are staying in New Jersey, which is our main base for this trip. We'll be here for a while. We'll be exploring the areas close by cities and we're gonna have a good vacation, shawty. I haven't seen my brother in 3 years. 3 long years. 2 years? Oh, it's 2 years, but it feels like 3. 2019. So why is it 19, 20, 21, 23 years? I'm right. Why is he telling me 2? 3 years. I haven't seen my brother in 3 years. And I'm gonna hug him and I'm gonna jump on him and I'm gonna give him a squeeze, a tightest squeeze. Yeah. So yeah, waiting to see my brother. Can't wait to see you, brother. And then I'm going to meet my nephew for the first time. My nephew is 1 year old going on 2. 1 year old going on 2. And my niece, my princess niece, and my sweet sister-in-law. Sweet sister-in-law. More like a sister to me. So let's go turn up this vacation. Family fun. That's what this vacation is all about. Family fun. So here we go, shawty. In New York City. Right now. There we go, baby. There we go. You guys, I am here. I'm in New Jersey. I'm in Brother. You guys, I'm here. But I picked me up at the airport and I could not film all of that because we were just getting in the car and getting going. Let me show you guys my brother. Anyway, you guys, I am about to get some food and feed the entire squad and chill with the family. So you guys will see everybody else tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that and the day after that. So let me go and eat right now. The kids are having fun with their cousins and all, so I'll catch you guys later.
1, 2, 0.
Somebody gonna fall, you watch. Tyler, take up the cover. Tyler, go take up the cover of the floor. Lord have mercy. Anika, you're not gonna breathe 2 more times. It will be this fun.
Bye.